guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I want to share with you how I made this Rustic Glam pumpkin. I'm making this for a friend for her daughter's Halloween party, and I've already sent her photos and she loves it, so I have to get it out to her. But I want to share with you how I made this today. If this is your first time to my channel, please click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. And if you're an oldie but a goodie to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it. So if you want to see how I made this Rustic Glam pumpkin, keep watching. First, I'm going to start with this foam pumpkin that I picked up from Amazon. And what I'm going to do is use my utility knife and remove the stem. Next, I'm going to use this DecoArt metallic paint. The color is called Shimmering Silver, my foam brush, and I'm going to paint the pumpkin silver. But before I do that, I'm going to insert this skewer inside so that I can manipulate the pumpkin without touching it while it's wet. And I'm just going to paint the complete pumpkin silver from top to bottom. I'm going to let it dry for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to paint it again and let that dry for 30 minutes. So it's completely dry now, and this is what it looks like with 2 coats of paint. So now I'm going to take this diamond wrap and I'm going to cut it into quite a few strips. I'm going to use this to decorate the pumpkin. So I'm just going to hot glue these strips into the grooves of the pumpkin. I'm going to alternate the length of the strip, hot gluing one long strip from top to bottom in the groove, and then in the next groove I'm going to be hot gluing a shorter length from the top to the midsection. I'm going to alternate that pattern all the way around the pumpkin. This is what that looks like, and I really love the way it's coming out. It's looking great so far. So now I'm going to use silver glitter. This is extra fine glitter in the smaller container. I'm going to use that today along with this glass glitter by Recollections. That color is called Antique Silver. I'm going to use some Mod Podge and my foam brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that Mod Podge and place it into the separate grooves on top of the pumpkin. And then I'm going to add that extra fine glitter on top. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit on top. The extra fine glitter has lots of shine and sparkle, and you don't need a lot when you use it. And it has a lot of sparkle even in low lighting. So now that that's dry, I let that dry for 10 minutes, and now that that's dry, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Mod Podge on top of the silver glitter, not covering all of it, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that glass glitter, that antique silver, which is a nice, beautiful contrast, and I'm going to add that on top just to create a little bit of a color change and a little extra texture. So I let it dry for an hour, and this is what it looks like, and I love the way it looks. So now I'm going to use a little bit of the Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer, spray it over the pumpkin just to seal all the glitter and the glass glitter into place. So now I'm going to use this diamond flower wrap. I'm going to cut them into pieces. I showed you guys in another video how I separated the outer portion from the center portion, but I'll show you how I did that in another video, which I will link in the cards above, or you can find it in the description section below. So I'm just going to apply these pieces randomly all the way around the pumpkin. And now that that's finished, guys, this is what that's looking like. Really nice. So now it's time to apply the stem to the pumpkin, which I have already painted and put a little bit of glitter on. So I didn't show you that, but that's already done. And so I'm just going to hot glue that back onto the top and press and hold it until it sets. So as you can see here, the pumpkin stem is not fitting firmly into place. So I'm just going to apply one strip of diamond wrap around the base just to kind of hide the fact that it's not sitting properly. And I'm also going to use the circle portions also just to add a little bit more decoration. And this pumpkin came out absolutely beautiful, guys. I've already sent photos to the person it's meant for, and she absolutely loves it and can't wait to receive it. But this is what it looks like. This is the final project here. This is for a young lady for her Halloween party, and she absolutely loves it. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.